Well, me and Julie Senesi, United Methodist Church, my town. They are the same time in an area worker. United Methodist women, they go give you small money for can empower the women in the church. So we carry that money. But all we can, we look see, like we gather together and do something, we go benefits all the women, and not for one person, all the women that we go benefits with. That what we say we for do. We say, well, like we find the main thing what we do. We can with friend side, in a banga farm, because we say in a banga one with the pool. We can't find outside banga farm. We talk to the people that way they get a banga. So we can buy per the aid. With the processor, we pull them. If they look see say, it really fine for we. And the profits, the half profit, all they get. Now from there, we empower the woman them, we give the woman them. Make them say they empower themselves and they host them. So if we give you like then 200, say for 300, a small token you go carry it. Inside 3 months or 4 months, you go carry it, and the next man itself we gear that they make. So the woman they're so glad by the project, so we can with. So the heavy talks that they tell the United Methodist women the way they give you the money, but who thank you. They say they don't really empower them. What's be the difficult with them a host? They say don't really calm down now for them. Because yes, they're able to do things enough for them, say pay for them, pick their school fee for these few moments where they don't give them this money, and they really see improvement.